fire, felt the rain. Lost in silence, trapped by pain. Every tear paved the way, a little stronger each new day. Winds might howl, shadows loom, trying to find light in the gloom. Keep pushing, no time to stall, standing tall despite the fall. Rise from ashes, never defeated, heart keep beating, soul deep-seated. Broken wings still take flight, every wrong leads to the right. Scars on skin, stories tell, battles fought through my hell. In the dark, sparks ignite, turning wrongs into light. Pain's teacher, wisdom gained, no losses, just lessons plain. All through mud, then you soar, every setback open doors. Rise from ashes, never defeated, heart keep beating, soul deep-seated. Broken wings still take flight, every wrong leads to the right. Rise from ashes, never defeated,